So I'm just going to be taking some Fenty Beauty. I'm just applying that to the lid of my eyes, and excuse the noise if you can hear it. I don't think you'll be able to, but so did you guys enjoy my last video, which was a mukbang, whatever it's called? Let me know if you guys want me to do another one. I love to eat, so I'm gonna be taking from the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette and going in with this shade right here. Let's pop this all over, mostly on the outer corner, and just blend it out everywhere else. I'm gonna take this cranberry color and pop that on the crease with a different brush. What the hell are you doing, Jamie? You gotta excuse me because my nose is kind of stuffy, so I'm not gonna be talking a lot during this video because it's like every time I talk my nose starts to run and I can't do. It's gonna be a really cute dramatic-esque look. I don't know why I add isk to the end of everything I say sometimes, but very yams and cranberry vibes. Or you know the leaves, how they have that sometimes purple reddish and that orange, that nice burnt orange. So just working that in there. Looking really cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this other dark purpley brown color right here and just put it a little bit in the crease to deepen it. I'm gonna do a cut crease, so I'm gonna be taking the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer and doing a cut crease. So let's do that. I'm like so winded. Like I thought I lost my voice before I started this video. I mean, it's kind of going out right now, but Lord, like I don't know what it is. Like I had to drink tea. I really don't want to cut it too high. And then I'm just gonna, I'm gonna just build this color back. Liquid Lipstick Mini and the color Exorcism. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye, and then I'll wipe it away clear and add the same colors on my bottom lash line and pop some lashes on, and then we'll move on to foundation. So I'm gonna do my primer next, and I'm gonna use, what primer should I use tonight? I'm gonna use the Awake Make Skin Coaching Water Primer. It's a Korean brand. Just use that. It's my favorite, one of my favorites. So you see how I did the liner? It's real cute, and I did the cut crease. So yeah, just smooth this all out, and I'm gonna do the bottom when I'm done with the foundation and the concealer and the contour and everything, because I like to do everything last, even though I know that's kind of different for some people. That's just how I like to do it, because I don't like to wipe around, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I feel this, like, look at that liner. This one hasn't dried yet, but it is going to. So today's foundation will be the, I thought I picked up some new foundation, but I guess I didn't. I'm gonna be using, I haven't used Lancome in a while. I'm gonna be using Lancome I'm gonna go with the concealer, and I'm gonna have to stick with the Favor right now. I know a lot of people are probably tired of seeing this. I'm gonna just go in the middle of the forehead, the nose. Now that I got the lashes on, I'm just gonna, this part is optional, but I'm gonna take the Kat Von D lipstick and just create a little bit of freckle. So this part is optional, you don't have to do it, but I'm just gonna do it.